1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some sweet classic R.E.M. Everybody Hurts. Okay, so we don't have that many chords. The song is in D major. 1, 2, 3, D major. We got a G, G major, and we want E string and the B string like that. We want to grab that. So over the D we want to pick 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. 4, 3, 2, 1. The G, we want to pick 6, 6, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, the song is in 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. And then for the chorus, we got E minor. 1, 2. Okay, we can start strumming to A major, E minor, A major. I think it's 3 times there. And then, what else? Yeah, we got a bridge. F sharp 7 to B minor. Three times. Now I'm gonna grab a C. Minor, and then it's back to the verse. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. So let's review everything. We got the verses, picking D and G, and you got to play the G like this because we want these notes. And then we got the chorus. Oh yeah, we got that. That's 3, 2, and then E minor on the E string. We want to strum here. 6, 8, 2, 3. verse. And then the bridge, F sharp, major, F sharp 7, second finger, third finger, A, and second finger on the G string, third fret, to B minor, bar chord, second finger, 3, 4, 3 times, and then we go to C, G, C, and then A minor. Back to verse. Okay, cool. Nice song. Very nice song. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. Thank you.